So these are the material that we are going to work on this month. So I went to the market to buy this called fine fabric. So please, you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos all the time. I appreciate you people. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end and give it a thumbs up so that other people can see and watch and learn. So let me show you the colors once more. This orange color that we have. So we are going to work on it. So we are going to cut and sew together. So please stay tuned so that you can see what we are going to use it to achieve. And it's a crepe material that is this. So this is one of it. So also with the floral material, very lovely the color. I hope you like it. So we are also going to work on this, and this is not too big for the yard. So what I'm suggesting is that maybe I will use it for top, and I hope it will come out good. So this is one of it. So this one of the material that we are going to work on. I also have this crepe also. It's a pink color, and this is what we are going to also work on. And this is what I went to the market to buy, and I hope you love the materials and the colors. Yes, so we are going to work all of so all of this. By God's willing, we are doing that. I also have this fine fabric. You can see the color and the design it has on the background. So we are also going to work on it. So stay with me so that I will, by the time I will cut it, you yourself will see it. So please subscribe once more to my channel if you're not done that, and share it so that others can see and learn. So we are also going to work on this. I also have this dark color. Is on point, really. Yes, so you can see how beautiful it is, the color. We'll also work on this too. So please stay tuned so that you can see all of this. Not that we are cutting it today. Remember, I'm just showing you what I went to the market to buy and what we are going to use for this period of this month. So this is what we are going to work on, and this some of the fabric that I went to the market to buy. So I also have this in the same material. So this color is red color, crepe material, remember. So we are also going to work on it. So please watch this video down to the end and also give it a thumbs up. So please, all of the material that I went to buy in the market, the red color, the dot fabric, you can also see with this. So that is what we went to the market to buy. And also for the pink, this is the one we're also going to use. And so our fabric that is the same flower fabric, but it's more yard of it. So we are going to use it for top. And this is the orange color too that we are going to use also. So you can see that everything went fine. So what I need for you is that people should stay tuned so that anytime, any day they want to cut out this material, you can see it. Please, thank you for watching, and please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also give it a thumbs up so that other people can see and watch. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.